welcome to Sunai Cooks. Today I'm making you the Tunisian roasted lamb. Mrs. Sarah was helping, but now she doesn't want to be part of the video, so she's just playing with her toys around the corner. And yeah, I hope you will enjoy the Tunisian roasted lamb. It's called Mosli or kusha alouche. That's what we call it in Tunis. And it's super easy, super healthy, and I hope you will enjoy it. I'm making it in my lunch break. And that's Mrs. Sarah playing and don't want to be part of the video today. Susu, stand up.
I got Mama's finger.
What did you get in your finger? Can you show me? Show me.
Malik sticker.
Milk sticker?
Yeah.
Okay.
And now I'm going to put it back.
Hi guys, the ingredients for the Tunisian roasted lamb is lamb. You need to get your favorite kind of lamb. I'm using the shoulder cut, and potato, onions, tomato, garlic, and pepper. I'm using red pepper. Some olive oils. For spices, we only need like 3 spices. You can also add some herbs if you want to. I'm not gonna use the herbs because my kids don't like the herbs in this recipe. So I'm using salt, pepper, and turmeric.
I like turmeric.
Yeah, me too. It's so beneficial for your health. So we're gonna get to it. First step is mixing the olive oil.
I want to mix it
So
now.
it's just enough to cover with the water. So this is about 1.5 cups water. And then I'm gonna add all the ingredients in there.
Now I'll mix it.
You can also at this point add some harissa, hot sauce, or any other ingredients you would like to. Good job,
It's
Susu.
gonna be so yum.
Yeah, it's gonna be so yellow and yum. And then once she's done mixing, we're gonna just start setting the ingredient in my roasting pan.
Mommy, it's
Don't know,
still
can you see it?
gonna be brown.
Yeah. I'm gonna start with my meat first.
It smells good.
I know, it smells super good. Oh, that's my oven. I have my oven heating at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna make sure that we put our meat properly. Then our potato.
Mommy, I'm not spilling.
I'm proud of you. Thank you for not spilling. So this is my go-to even in my lunch break. I'm still working from home, so when it's my lunch break, I come quickly to the kitchen, cut my ingredients, set them up in the dish, and put them on the stove. It takes about an hour to cook, and you have a delicious meal for the whole family. You have your protein, your vegetables, and you serve it with a salad, and ta-da! It's all good. I'm gonna reserve the pepper to the end, so I'm gonna add these on the last 15 minutes of the cooking because I wanted to keep some texture into it. Mama, are you all done mixing?
Yep.
Perfect, thank
Mama,
you.
look.
Oh, you got some lumps in there. I'm gonna go old school and scoop them down. My hands are clean, and then keep mixing it. Here we go. And you just gonna give it that color, that yellowish color, and the flavors.
It's yellow now because
Yeah.
it makes it yellow.
Yeah, you mix the turmeric, and it made everything yellow.
Yeah, and now we're gonna eat it.
I have still some lumps
First
when
things
she mixed.
first.
Yeah.
I mixed the lamb because it became lamb.
And the lamb will be delicious. Who loves lamb?
Me.
I know you do. Are you carnivore or an herbivore?
I'm carnivore.
Yeah. My kids and their dad are carnivore. I'm the vegetarian slash vegan one. So
Mommy,
I eat more.
eating that type of food.
Yes, it's gonna be for dinner. You like your potato? Ooh, and we lost the potato.
Okay. So that's something so you can wipe it.
No, it's okay, Susu.
Oh yeah.
Don't worry about it. So I'm gonna just make sure that all the ingredients are like have some spice into them.
And now I'm gonna wipe this ones.
So I don't want to go with
you
my
spilled
hands.
some
It's
of
okay,
it.
Mama. I don't want to go with my hands because the turmeric stain lasts and it sticks really into your angles. So be careful with that. If you have some spills in there, Javex will do the thing. So just some chlorine or some any strong cleaner will clean it off. But I usually go with the Javex because I'm pretty sure it kills everything.
I made it yellow.
And into the oven we go. My stove is at 400 degrees as I mentioned earlier.
So much.
Thank you. And here we go.
And see. Oh. And sweet. Oh. You're so slippery.
My Tunisian roasted lamb, what we call mosli or kushaalouche, will cook for about an hour. I will check the meat. Once the meat is done, or to your preference, you can take it out and you can help yourself. So guys, this is my mosli, my roasted lamb. After 45 minutes, I'm adding the pepper for more flavor, and I'm gonna put it back on the oven for about maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Hi guys, so my mosli is ready, my kushaalouche is ready. I'm gonna just serve it and sprinkle it with parsley. Yes, you did it, bravo! So we're gonna just show you the plate. Enjoy, bon appetit, and don't forget to subscribe and to give us some thumbs up, some comments. We'd really appreciate it. Just need to sprinkle with some parsley and some onions.
I'm gonna let some parsley.
Okay, that's for me then. You don't have to eat it, okay? Bon appetit, everybody, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one. Enjoy.